Okay, good morning, traders. I think I'm 2 minutes behind. My time says 8:02, and I don't know what your time is, where you are, but I want to welcome you to today's event. And I want to believe that this week is also going to be a good week, like last week. So, because we made money last week, and we always make money in it. So, I want to welcome you all. Let me see how many people are in the house. We have about maybe 18 people in the house right now, which is okay. It's also a good place to start. And of course, it's going to be, like I said, it's going to be a wonderful week for us. I think this is the second week of this month. The first week was wonderful, even though the market was quite volatile, quite volatile. But then, of course, we were okay. So today, I want to quickly give you like a quick tip before you even begin to do anything. So I think we have about 20 something people in the house. So all of you, before I even open my eyes, go ahead and open your chart to USD CAD and Euro USD. Okay, so I'm going to start with those two. I'm going to be switching to my chart right now. In your presence right now. So let's go to this one. So I want you to, all of you, not just me. I want you all to open your chart to USD CAD and Euro USD. And in those two, all through this week, throughout this week, go ahead and be buying and be selling. So for USD CAD, you're going to be clicking on new order and buy. And for for Euro USD, you're going to be clicking on new order and sell. So let me share my MT5 screen with you guys very fast. So I'm giving you this tip because I've seen it since last week that the price is going to be okay for us to go in all in and go all in, okay, and make money. Control Market Watch, Control M. I'm going to do right click and click on show all, which is done already. I'm going to do Control M again to disable that. Then I'm going to open a chart. A chart like USD CAD will be fine, USD CAD. And I'm going to click on new order. Okay, I won't even waste time on this and buy because the price will continue to push up on this particular chart. Okay, is on, even if the price retraces, go ahead and still click on new order, buy. That's if you come in late. And then the second one that is going to be okay for you to also do is Euro USD, which will be new order and sell, new order and sell. So this one is going to be going down all through this week. Okay, so you can enjoy these two free of charge. Okay, I'm going to be giving you the reason why I think they should be. If you look at the D1 of this Euro USD, and you go ahead and, for example, you look at the breakout strategy. No, not just the breakout. This one is going to be, on the D1 is going to be giving you a signal, but on the 1 hour, it's going to be giving you a signal. So even if this price retraces, which is possible, what you can do is to, continue to do sell limit around this region. I'm going to just paint this part for you. So even if, like now, I've done a sell, I've clicked on sell. So even if the price retraces to this region, which is possible, you can still continue to sell. So sell limit to be ideal in this region. I can just, put lines around that region. Okay. Just put line like so. And like so. So in between this region, you can continue to do sell limit, sell limit, sell limit. Okay. It's going to be okay. Don't worry. Even if this price pushes back up, the price direction is definitely going to go down. Okay, for the rest of this week. And that's 1 hour chart. So on the 4 hours, we're beginning to see that the price is about to change direction to the downside. Okay, the move is complete. Okay, the move to the upside is complete. So the trend is changing very fast. So I continue to look for new order, buy and sell on those two. Those are the free ones I said I should just give you before we get started. So let me now begin to greet people. Welcome back to the house. Okay, so good morning, sir. Happy New Week. Okay, Happy New Week to you too. So let me greet people. Angel, good morning. Say my time is correct. Yes, my time is always correct. Oluwasegun Samuel, my namesake. Adeyinka, good morning. So everybody, Oya greet me. Let's greet each other. It's a good week. So I've given you two trades for free. You can now greet me. If you don't greet me, I will not give it. I will not give it. I will not give you analysis for today. Okay. Honestly, I'm happy to be here. I hope that you are fine wherever you are, and that this week is going to be a good week. So Godwin, sorry, not Godwin, Edwin Singh. Good morning, Edwin Singh. Which region are you? Please, your name is. I've never seen it. Apologies, my people. I think I had a little bit of internet issues. Okay, yeah, we're all Nigerian. You can never trust internet in Nigeria. So I think what happened to me, internet happened to me. Yeah. Okay, or internet happened to my laptop or my connectivity. Okay, so soon enough, I'm going to be switching again. But for now, let's manage what we have. So let me go back to sharing my screen very fast. Hold on. I'm going to share the screen as quickly as I can. I hope that Shion is around. Okay, so I think I can connect my screen now. Apologies again. I'm here now. Um, let's continue. So I was discussing, I wanted to discuss the reason why I said Euro USD should be a sell and USD CAD should be a buy. But then internet happened, like I said, and of course I wasn't able to share my screen on time also. So I want to apologize for that. And let me read the comment section whether people also feel me. Okay, so I think there's audio now, Abraham. So people, let me hear it. Please let me know if you can hear me now. Type yes. Let me know that you can hear me. Type yes, everybody. Type yes, 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 yes. I want to see everybody type yes if you can hear me. Or if you cannot hear me, it's fine. Okay, that means me, so I can see enough people type yes. So as long as people are typing yes, it means that everybody can hear me. And I want to sincerely apologize profusely. I like it when I apologize, okay? When something bad happened, okay? It's actually unplanned, okay? It's unplanned. I didn't know that the internet would just happen like that. And then things would just, started, oh, what can I do to make you guys happy? But then, okay, for those people that are just joining us now, things happened, right? So we were able to place two trades already. So we had trade on Euro USD and we had trade on USD CAD running right now. So why I said Euro USD should be a sell is because on my own view, that's the view you're looking at now, even if I go to a smaller time frame like maybe 1 hour chart, I like staying on 1 hour chart. Okay, you can already see that the price have potential to drop, right? Okay, so I'm going to be showing you another strategy also that I used to know whether price can go down or not. So based on what is happening that we are seeing now, this Euro USD have potential to travel down to the south side, all right? Not to the north, okay? Not to the north. So don't be looking to buy this week, be looking to sell. Okay, that's for Euro USD. Now, if I go to D1 and I go to, please let me put that phone up. Okay, so sorry about that breaking transmission. So I was trying to look at the D1. So on the D1 front, if I go to charts like stochastic view, you will see that on the D1 front, we have not this stochastic will not give us what we want. Okay, obviously on the D1, but let's check with Bollinger Band whether we can see something like a turning point. Okay, that gives us an idea. But then if we go to, let me go to uh, something else. Let's go to pure candlestick. So based on what we see now, I can see that the price did kind of like a turning. The high failed to break the previous high. A high failed to break the previous high. And I can assure you, if this price do what it's doing now, okay, If it breaks below this level, I'm going to just paint on this line chart. If it breaks below this level on this line chart, okay, you can count on it that Euro USD is going to go seriously bearish. Okay, if it breaks this level you see here on the D1. So I'm going to just put a line on the chart. You can write the price down. Let me just drop a line here. So write this price down, everybody. 1.10472. If Euro USD break 1.10472, maybe in the near term, maybe today, tomorrow, it's possible, then you can count on it that this price is going to travel down very far. Okay, possibly, hitting a new low. Okay, because it's definitely going to break this high. This high you are looking at here is going to break it. It will actually complete this retracement up to this level. It will actually get to this level, 1.07941 in the near term. Okay, so maybe within 1 week, 2 weeks, you can just get to that side. So be looking to sell Euro USD based on this fact. Then on the USD CAD front, hallelujah. I think this one is kind of like what I've been waiting for. I actually have some buys on USD CAD that have not been a profit yet. But based on what the candlestick is saying on the D1, this one is not even giving me what I want. But if you look at the MT4, let me just share my MT4 screen with you guys. If you look at the MT4 front, there's something different. Okay. Let's share this one. So let's look at the MT4 front on D1. Okay. Let's switch to D1 and check. So you can see on the D1, MT4 is a little bit different from the MT5. I'm going to put an arrow on the candle. This is the reason why I said you should buy USD CAD. You see this candle here? It's a rest candle. It's actually yesterday's candle. That's Sunday candle. It's just like a few hours. Okay, so if I do Control Y, you see what I mean. If I go to H1, you see. So you can see that the candle is just 2 hours. It lasted only 2 hours between here and there, right? So that's that candle you're looking at, that gray candle that I put arrow. So if I put it back to D1, understand what I mean? Who is making noise there? Let me just see if I can just pause that person. Mute or want people to interfere with what I'm saying. Apologies for that, people. So I just muted those people that are disturbing us. So you can see the candle I just painted on the 1 hour chart. Is that one? So this candle gives us of course, it's actually a bullish candle. It gives us a sense of direction to what will happen this week, 100%. So don't forget that previously, that's on the near time also, you have this candle here, which is this bullish engulfing. Okay, so this bullish engulfing candle is actually also telling us that this price is going to be going up all for the rest of this week. So be buying USD CAD and be selling Euro USD. Full stop. Now, when it comes to, I don't know, I'm still going to be allowing you guys to pick what you want me to look at. It's okay to do that. But when it comes to instruments like all those indices as well, last week we had a kind of like a terrible week for indices all around. So I think US30 is going to be a good one now if you want to buy. You could just go to US30 and buy. I've not checked, okay, but I feel that US30 should actually rise this morning or this week anyway. Okay, so even if it goes down, US30, where's that US30 now? US30, I think it should become 1 US30. Okay, it should actually be a little bit of retracement for US30 this week. Okay, candlestick, you can see it already pushing up to the upside. So I think this one is also going to go up the way I see it. Then also, based on what I was looking at, with my corner eye this morning, I was actually looking at oil also, crude oil. So crude oil could actually push up also. It could actually push up. So let's see to it that we are buying these ones I just gave you guys. So crude oil, I think it should be a buy. Okay, you should be, if you like money, you can just buy crude oil this morning. That's if you like money. If you like money, it's a conditional statement. There are some people that don't like money. Okay, crude oil could actually be kind of like a deal breaker for you guys too. That's if you like money. So let me go to crude oil chart. Give me a second. Crude. I think I'm already on crude. Give me a second anyway. Okay, so where are we? Where are we? I think we are somewhere around this. All right, so crude oil you can also buy. So I think I've given you 4 instruments that you can actually trade. Crude oil looks good to buy. Euro USD looks good to sell. USD can lose good to buy, and US30 looks good to buy. I think I've given you 4. So let me listen to you guys. Maybe you want me to look at something different. D30 also should be the same thing with Esther or Morigi. D30 should be the same analysis with US30. So if US30 is buying, D30 will also buy. So if you want to go ahead and buy on those ones, you can also buy. But I've not checked D30 anyway, so you can also buy on that one. So yes, I'm already on oil, and I want to actually trade it on MT5. So let me go to MT5 and trade oil for buy. So let me share my screen on MT5 with you guys also. Let me share my screen on MT5. So I'm going to be trading buy on crude oil. Crude oil buy. Let me go to energy market. Energy market, crude oil. We click on new order. Of course, I can buy. Now, I also said US30. US30 is under indices commodity 1. So US30 there should be a buy too. I'm going to also click on new order buy. So I have 4 instruments that I'm trading today. Let me listen to you guys. I think that's okay for me. So let me listen to what you guys want me to look at. So any questions or any instrument that you guys suggest? So somebody mentioned gold. I've not checked gold, but I think gold should also be a sell. I think so. If Euro US is going down, gold should also go down. So somebody says Anya, is it Anayochukwu Anyanwu? This is your name. This is your name, eh? Anayochukwu Anyanwu. Well, okay. So USD JPY. Let's check USD JPY for Anayochukwu. So Kale, Atinoke, what are you saying? You are asking me whether you are doing instant buy or paying back. Which one does it look like I just did this morning? Okay. So Kale, don't get me angry. Since I've been talking since morning, I've never mentioned pending order. I just said it looks good to buy, it looks good to sell. And I've been selling, I've been buying on my own chart. So where did you see pending order, Sokale? This is your name, sir, Sokale. Sokale. Okay, Sokale. So somebody mentioned gold. Gold should also be a sell, the way I see it, but just I'm not trading gold for now. Gold actually showed me shaking last week or 2 weeks ago. So I decided to just remove my hands from gold. But fundamentally, it looks good to go down. Okay, because yield is, I think the labor market in US is, the figures is not too kind of encouraging. So, but then they are going to be cutting rates. Okay, so because of that, I think you should just, if you ask me, I would say you should stay off gold until that decision is made. Okay, because gold move with rate a lot of time. So it's just the hint that they might cut rate. That's why gold is doing this. So if they don't cut rate, gold is going to go up. It will just become $3,000. Gold could become $3,000 very fast. Okay, but if they cut rate, the price can just go down. So because we don't know what the information will be. So gold moves more with fundamental. That's why I'm taking my hand off gold for now. And me, I'm more of a technical person than fundamental person. So you can see the blank part is where gold price is right now. So until it clear out of that area, I'm not going to be trading gold. But if you want to trade it, it looks good to go down. So let me remove my hand from that one and focus my attention on something different. So somebody mentioned USDJPY. Let's go to USDJPY and check what's going on there. USDJPY. I think this one basically should go up, but I've not seen it to the upside yet. It should go up, but I've not seen it moving upside yet. But let's check with Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band says yes to buy. Let's check with this. This one is not giving us signal to buy yet. Let's check with breakout. It's not giving us signal to buy yet. But only Bollinger Band says we buy. Only this one says we should buy. Only this one says we should buy. Okay, so only this one is saying buy. For the rest, they're not saying the same thing. So I think we should just do buy. Okay, we should just do buy on this one. I think we should just do that. Let's just do a buy on this one. Okay, that's because I feel that if USD CAD is going up, USDJPY should also go up. Okay, because I don't know. I think we should just do buy on this one. This one is more, I don't like gambling, but because I've not seen confirmation signal that this one should go up. But let me check with H4. and with stochastic. I'm going back for that one. Coming back for that one. Let's just hold on. So this one looks good to go up anyway. So we should just do a buy on USD JPY. Okay. Let me add that to my trade this morning. That would be fifth trade. I think I'm a little bit convinced that it should go up. Okay. Any comments? Any more comments? Where can we take profit for oil? When the price is in profit, you can just put it. Okay. I don't have take profit for my trade. So you can just point maybe 10, 20 pips. Everybody should just do 10, 20 pips on each of the trades. Okay, because we don't have the same price entry, we shouldn't have the same take profit. But you can appoint 10 pips. Victor, this direct answer is to you and every other person that is asking for take profit. You can appoint 10 pips. For stop loss, you can appoint maybe 20, 30 pips for stop loss for all the trades we have. Okay, I'm not using stop loss, but you can use it. I encourage you to use it. Maybe 10, 20, 30 pips stop loss, and then 10, 20, 30 pips take profit. Okay, you can just do that. Chinedu or Saji, the same analysis I give for US 30 should work for US 100, should work for D30. I think I mentioned that already. Amira Sunday, good morning. This is the first time I'm attending this class. Can you please summarize the discussion? Just follow us in spirit and in truth. Amira, there's nothing to summarize. All right. So, good morning, sir. Kindly mention kindly mention the instructions you analyze. Is it instruction or instrument you want to say? Moto G fast. What is this name? Wait, Moto G fast. It's your name. Moto G fast. I don't know the meaning of Moto G fast, but to answer your question, if you are talking of instrument, I've mentioned 5. I mentioned USD CAD, I mentioned Euro USD, I mentioned crude oil, I mentioned US 30, and I mentioned USD JPY. Those are the 4 instruments that I've mentioned this morning that you can trade on. And of course, my trade is open on the screen. You can see the direction I'm trading, so you can follow. Now, that's if you're interested. Now, GBP JPY, okay, that's for Ogbeni. Is it Ogbeni? Ogbeyi going. Wow, I've seen strange names today. I thought your name is Ogbeni, but then since it's Ogbeyi going, which state are you from, Ogbeyi? I would like to know which state bear that kind of name. Okay, because they're new to me. I've never seen that kind of name before. Okay, so GBP JPY. Let's go to GBP JPY for Ogbeyi. So going. Ogbeyi GBP JPY. Let's look for it. It should be under market. GBP JPY. This one. Okay, so once the chart loads, we'll look at what to do on that one. Let's try this one, but hey, sorry. I think it should be a buy. Of course, okay. So let's close this one out. USJPY, new order buy. That's what I said. Of course. Why of course? Okay, so let's leave that one. Go to H1. I'll try that. Okay, so I actually wanted to buy USJPY, but I think internet is not allowing me to do that. So, but you guys can just join if you like. You can just try that. Those are the instruments I've looked at this morning. Let me look at more, and then I can enable channel for people to talk to me. So you say, sir, your name is Taiwo, but why do you use Motor G fast on your name? Okay, Taiwo. It's not easy to know. If you put Taiwo directly, I can easily know. So Ogbeyi Ogun, you say you're from Cross River. How is Calabar today? I hope it's peaceful. I hope it's peaceful. And I also hope that the fuel, I think your place also produces crude oil. So oil should be like 30 naira in your area. All those people that are from South, I envy them. All those Port Harcourt people, they should be collecting fuel 5 naira per liter. After all, if they are back here, they are getting the crude oil. All those people from Warri, if you are from Warri here, please send crude oil to Lagos. Sorry, don't send crude oil, send refined petrol to me in Lagos, maybe like 50, 100 liters. Let me just manage for 1 week. Okay. Oil is from your backyard. I've been in my backyard then. And you guys have a lot of refineries, so you should be having it. Okay. I'm in Abuja, but the name is from Anambra, where I'm married to. Okay. Ogbeyi Ogun. Okay. You marry in Anambra, you're from Cross River, and you live in Abuja. You're a complete Nigerian. From South, married to South East, living in the North Central. Yeah, a complete Nigerian. Please enjoy your stay in Abuja and enjoy the Millicon regime that you're, enjoying there, which is okay. How to calculate pips in US30? Just use your crosshair or just pick a number next. Let me give you an idea. Somebody's asking a question on how to calculate pips on US30. So if I go to a clean screen like this one, and I want to pick take profit. For example, now, this is where the current price, this is where I enter my trade. So if I move like this, I'll move 5 bars, 49 points. That's about 49 pips. Should be. Okay, so 49 points is about 4.9 pips rather. So if you calculate 10 pips, okay, so that's about 15 pips, 30 something pips, 135 points. That's about 13 pips. So I think this should be okay for you to do as take profit. So for example, you can pick this price as your take profit 40. Two of our trades, oil is almost entering profit for me. US30 is already pushing it to profit for me, and of course, USD card is was in profit before, but then I think all the trades will also be in profit today. So unfortunately, I could not trade USD JPY. I don't know why, but it's also a good one. So let me check comment section again to see what people want me to look at today. I called your phone after our misunderstanding when you sent me. Ernest, I've been waiting for your message on WhatsApp. I said you should drop a message on WhatsApp. I didn't say you should call me. You're the one that is giving us problem. We'll fight again. You say somebody pick it. Wait, Ernest, please drop a message now. Is your message I've been waiting for? Ernest or Doom, drop a message now on this WhatsApp. If you drop it now, I'll read your message. The whole class will see it. If you don't drop it, it's not my fault. Please, how to calculate? I think I've answered that one. Good morning. Okay, I think I've read all those messages. Any more message that you want me to look at? AUD, USD, AUD, should be the same thing with USD. Sorry, with Euro USD. It should be the same direction with Euro USD. So I think that should answer your question. Oluwa Segun Samuel Adeyinka. Give me card. I've not checked. I'll check. Please, how do I get your contact? Mr. Perfect, you don't know my phone number. 09020398739. Later, no. You should have gotten my phone number since yesterday. 09020. Let me drop it here. 090, so that there will be no confusion. 20398739. Drop me WhatsApp message only. Don't call. You don't need to call. I don't need to pick call. I can respond to all messages. Okay. So you said that you are still on AUD USD. I just dropped my phone number, everybody. So people that are here that don't have my phone number, they should grab it. And if you're just joining me on my phone, you can just drop me a message, hi, with your name. Okay. Somebody mentioned AUD USD. Don't know what it's looking for. But AUD USD should also be a sell. It should be a sell. It should be a sell. Okay, but if you want to hold on that one, you can hold on until the price push back a little bit to the upside. Then you can push a sell. So let's do sell limit on AUD USD. Okay, we can do sell limit in between this region and that region. Any price in between will be fine. Any price in between will be fine. So for example, 0.66990 or 980. It's actually fine for a sell limit. So you can just do sell limit like so, sell limit like so. So I did 2. You guys can do 2 if you like for AUD USD. Crude oil, I said buy. I said it. I stand with that. US30, I maintain buy. Gold, I said stay off. That's what I said. I didn't trade on it. USD/JPY, I said buy. GBP/JPY, I go with buy also. AUD USD, I go with sell. But you can also do sell limit on that one. Euro USD, I went with sell. You can also do sell limit on that one. USD card, I go with buy. You can also do sell limit, sorry, buy limit on this one. So what's the time now? I think it's about 34 minutes. Today is very good though. I've analyzed about many instruments now. Let me go to wheat. It's been long I actually checked wheat. Let's go ahead and check wheat market. Wheat. I've not seen wheat. Yes, I've seen wheat. So wheat market is kind of like confusing right now to me. Let me kind of zoom in. Now, if you know you don't have 2 million and above, 3 million and above, okay, don't bother to trade wheat. It's not your business trading wheat. Okay, focus on currency. All those people that have all this 100,000, 150,000, 200,000 that want to make money, stick with currency. Once I open wheat like this, the people I'm talking to are people that are, that have money or that can add money to their money. For example, you have all these 2 million, 4 million, $3,000, $5,000, and you want to make money, you can trade wheat. It's a good way to go. It's a way to go, I'm telling you. So let's look at potential for wheat. Let's block this side, block out. So that's a complete breakout there. Let me change the color of this one to lime green. This one, long green. So after blocking it, we know that the price can retest that block. So let's do a buy limit on wheat. For those people that are interested in trading wheat, my money cannot trade it. I only have 700,000 in my account now. Until maybe I add money to that account. So buy limit around this, my $550 0.54 will be okay for wheat. So if you're interested in trading wheat, you can do a buy limit from from $550.54. Now that's for wheat. The price technically could actually go up from this level. That's the way I look at it, because the price is dropping now and I don't want to sell. Okay, I want to buy. The price looks good to go up. Okay, so, and of course, there's a current retracement to the support. So it could actually be kind of like a retest to that region, and then you can pick it buy and make money. So if you know you have all these 2 million, 3 million and above in your account, and you want to place trade on wheat. Now, wheat makes a lot of money. Okay, it's like from here now. Let me give you an idea of what you are, what potential profit could be. Let us say I did buy limit here on 0.01. And then let me say from here, that's where the price is now. And then I say I want to pick my profit at 601.24. Take profit 601.24. See the profit potential now. So 0.01 will give me total profit of about 331,000 to that place. And it's not as if it's far. Now, USD will not do that. Okay, USD will only give me maybe about 3,000, 2,000. But wheat can give me over 300,000, which means that if I do 0.1 lot from where I put that buy limit to where the price will hit the profit, I could actually make more than 3 million. 0.1 lot. And one standard lot will give me more than 30 million, 33 million, really. So one standard lot of wheat can actually make it for, it can be a deal breaker for you. Okay, it can be a deal breaker. So that's how potentially profitable wheat on the chart. It's very, very profitable. So let's do buy limit. If you know you have all this 3 million, you can carry it. And above, you can do that. Okay, but I will not do it because, like I said, I only have 700,000 account. So I'm going to delete it because I don't have that much money to withstand the stress of wheat. Wheat can be very stressful, but it can also be very, very profitable. Okay, so that's that on wheat. If you want to buy, you can do buy limit. Don't do instant buy, just do buy limit for wheat. Any question on wheat? Any questions? Okay. Okay. Adeyemi Taufik. What is this person saying? USD MXCN. That's USD Mexican peso or what? My brother in the Lord, Adeyemi Taufik. I've never traded USD MXN, but if you want to trade it, you can. It's on the chart, but I don't think I want to really worry myself looking at that. I don't know anything about Mexico or their economy, so it's not a country I like to go. I think they push too much drugs. I don't like that country, so that's my own political opinion. It's actually objective. Sorry, subjective. Is I'm not supposed to mention that, okay? But that I don't like it does not mean that you shouldn't like it. You can like it and you can trade it, but let me leave that one and the analysis to your judgments. I don't want to go there. Okay, so don't forget my new PJPY. Ogbeyi, I've mentioned it. I said you should buy. If I say Euro USD, I said sell. Victor Uju, I said sell on Euro USD. Why are you mentioning Euro USD again? Wonder where can we get with so that commodity and indices together? Indices and commodities together, you can get it there. Okay, AED USD, AED CHF, I've not checked. Akman Peter is asking why are we not buying more AED USD? Well, Akman, if you want to buy more, why not? It's just a click away. New order buy. Akman, just go ahead and do it. Buy on AED USD if you want to buy it. But my analysis is, like I said, is subjective. Okay, so I look at the chart and I feel that the price would actually drop. But if you feel contrary, that's this price now, it could actually go down. Okay, so and I don't want to buy. Even if it goes up, see, I don't know your name, I can't remember your name again. Even if it goes up like this, even if it's pushing up, I will not buy. Okay, because the trend is down and I will not go against the trend. Because if it's pushing up and you buy, they think I just change direction and go down. I don't want it to catch me off guard. Are you getting it now? So that's the reason why I'm not going to follow you to buy. But if I see potential downpour, I can actually sell. So if you go up to this level, it will pick me in as a seller and I'll make money. And of course, if you go up to this level, it will pick me as a seller so I can make money. Now, if it doesn't get to this level, I will not sell and nothing will happen to me and nothing will happen to my account. So that's how patient I can be. In this market, patience rules. Patience pay. Okay? Patience gives dividends. The reason why a lot of traders don't make money is because they are not patient. The reason why a lot of people don't make money also is because they feel that they know better than what the price is doing. If the price is going down, okay, and you are buying, it can cut you off guard, it can catch you off guard. For example, now, you see that the trend of this AED USD is down. Let me give you an idea. I don't know. Let me find out what your name is again. From here, I think your name is Akman. Yes, Akman Peter. Let me douse your curiosity. So now, the trend is down. We can see the price going down here. Down. Now, the price now move up. Remember, price will always wave. Price now move up like this. Okay, and you are buying and you're happy. And you are buying and you're happy. And you're buying and you're happy. Somehow, you bought around this region. Let me give you an idea. Okay, because it's going up, you're happy. You now bought around this region. You can see that buying around this region is now against you. And now the price is moving back down steadily, which means that people that buy at the green region will be at a great loss. Okay, so now the price is pushing up again. If you are buying Akman, you are on your own. Because again, the price will still do what? It will still go against you, it will still go down. So I would prefer to be with the downside. I don't want to, that's the down people that are trading a sell. I prefer to be with them. I don't want to be with the buyers because the price is not really going to go up that much. I think that answers your question, Akman. It's a question of patience, all right? And if it doesn't answer it, I don't know what else to answer you. GBPJPY, I think I've answered Ogbeyi, but Ogbeyi, your message is still coming again. I said buy. That's what I said. And I actually analyze it, and I feel that the price could actually go up, even though I'm not on the trade. Okay, I'm not on the trade. I must confess, I'm not trading it. I'm not interested in trading it. Okay, but of course, the trend actually looked good to go down though. Please, Ogbeyi, don't buy. I take back my analysis. Don't buy. The price could actually go down. But like I said, I'm not going to trade it. So whether buy or sell, I'm not interested in JPY. Okay, but since you're interested, the trend is down. The trend is down, not up. The trend is down. So you might want to be with the sellers. But I think you should just wait a little bit for the price to go up more. Then you can place a sell for JPY. Okay, then crude oil, I said buy. I stand with that. US30, I said buy. I stand with that. Gold, I said stay off. That's what I said. Stay off for gold. Stay off for now. USDJPY, I go with buyers, but unfortunately, the price is not giving me what I want. So AUD I said sell. Wheat, I said buy limit. What else do you want me to look at, everybody? Euro USD, I said sell. I don't forget. Who else is there? Who else is there that wants to give me a comment? US 2000, US 2000, FFTSE 100, US 30, US 100, D30. They are all on the same direction. SS. Hope you are listening to me. your status says your name is SS. I don't know the meaning of SS. Tamuno Ibuomi. These are BLA, sister or brother. Tamuno Ibuomi. You mentioned FTSE 100. And my answer to you is FTSE 100, US 2000, US 30, US 100, D30, D40. All of them have the same analysis. So if you are buying on one, all of them is buying. If you are selling on one, all of them is selling. So, and I've already mentioned US 30 today. I said US 30 looks good to go up. So it means that all those things you mentioned look good to go up. How else do I explain this to people to understand? I don't know how else. Okay. So gold, I said stay off. Elizabeth, good morning. Please, sir, I want to learn from this crash. And then you have to join Pips Mama 10 o'clock class this morning to learn from this crash. Obina, Kingsley. Okay, USD card going short at 15 minutes. Congratulations to you, Ernest Odum. I'm not interested in that one because I don't look at 15 minutes chart. I wait to Ernest Odum. Was it not because of this reason we quarreled last week or 2 weeks ago? I don't know what you are doing on 15 minutes, but please don't bring 15 minutes to my class again. I'm not interested in discussing 15 minutes. I'm only interested in discussing 1 hour. The information I'm giving you is the information 1 hour chat, 4 hour chat, and daily chat gave me. I did not look at 15 minutes because I don't want journey. You understand? I don't know whether you understand Yoruba enough to understand that one. So please don't bring 15 minutes to my class. Anything you see on 15 minutes and you like it, or don't, please use it, trade it. Don't even bring it to this class. If 1 hour chat says we should sell, and I give an analysis that 1 hour chat says sell, and you come back and you say 15 minutes say you should buy, don't even bring it to my ear. Just buy. Okay? I think that we are not quarreling, but that should give you kind of like an idea of what I'm trying to say. So US 100, I said buy. GBP CHF, I've not looked at it. GU, I've not looked at it. Elijah and Adewale, I've not checked those two. My voice is low, really. What's your name now? Paul, Oyibo. Wait, my kids can go down if I continue this name. Let me not call your other name. Your name is Paul. You say my voice is low. I doubt it. Gold is next. I don't know what you mean by gold is next, but I've looked at gold already, and I said gold is stay off. I said stay off gold. I don't know what you want me to say again. I said gold, I will not trade it. And if you are not on the trade already, you should stay off. Somebody's asking, Chinedu Osagi is asking me if you can still trade wheat while still on gold. I don't know what you want me to tell you. Since you're on gold, stick with gold. It's a commodity. If you want to trade wheat, go ahead and trade it. If you have enough money in your account, more than 3-4 million. Remember, I'm saying more than 3-4 million. Okay, so Rainy World, I'm always confused on time frame. Well, you shouldn't be confused. Time frame is like I don't know what to tell you. If you want to understand what time frame means, please go to, you don't have any issue with your eye, I believe, but go to a laboratory where people check their eye, like all this optometry laboratory, and tell them to give you different lenses they use to check eyes. Okay, they have lenses in different sizes and different, focus. Okay, different denominations. Okay, once you check through all of them, it should give you an idea of what time frame means. It's just a different way of or different view of price or different time frame. That's what it means. So it's not as if it's anything big. Okay. Can we only use higher time frame for trading or analysis only? No, Rainy World. People have different opinions as to what price is doing. Let me give you an idea, my own idea. Okay, so now you see time frame like D1. In fact, time frame like W1 and MN. That's monthly time frame and weekly time frame. It's only people like George Soros, only people like Warren Buffett that use them. Okay, they don't trade, every day like us. They trade once in a while. Okay, and because of that, they use higher time frames. But people like me that do swing trading, I'm in swing trading mood. Okay, I'm no longer a scalper. Okay, people like Odum now, they are scalpers. They look at 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. That's their own region. I'm not a scalper, so it shouldn't bring scalping strategy to my front. Okay, I'm a swing trader. A swing trader will not ordinarily go to 15 minutes to go and look at what is happening there, because 15 minutes is fast. Okay, there are 15 minutes in 1 hour, and things can happen in between those 15 minutes. So I can be patient enough to wait on my 1 hour. In fact, my overall best time frame is 1 hour. You should have known by now if you have been following me. So my overall best time frame is 1 hour. So I stick with 1 hour, what 1 hour tells me, and it gives me a result. My next best time frame is H4, that's 4 hours. My next best time frame is D1. So I'm comfortable with those three guys. Anything they tell me, I follow. So some people use 30 minutes, I don't use it. Okay, especially if you have indicators you want to use. Yeah, indicator, 30 minutes can be very, 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 very nice. But I don't use it. I've tried it. It doesn't work for me. So, if 15 minutes work for you, hallelujah. If 15 minutes say you should buy. If 15 minutes say you should sell, don't even bother me. Sell. Let me stick with my 1 hour and do what I'm doing, and so that you don't confuse me. All right. So, what is the reason we should stay off gold? Well, Akpan, the reason is fundamental. Gold move with fundamental more than it move with any other thing. Okay. Technically, gold does not see. You see all these things I'm checking. All this. Let me give you an idea of what I mean. All this line that I'm checking. All this line that you see on the chart. All these moving averages that I see on the chart. All these okay, fair value gap that you see on the chart. All this what do you call it now? Stochastic that you see on the chart. Gold does not believe in any of them. Okay, gold does not follow any of them. Indicator will say something, gold will do something different, because gold move with fundamental. Gold move with two principal things, two principal names. It moves with rates in the US, and they also move with treasury yield in the US. So if those things are not happening, gold is not doing anything. All right. So because of that, I do not use candles to judge where price of gold will go. So that's why I said in recent time, we have seen it in the news. Let me give you a few seconds. Okay, let me check something. In recent time, we have seen it in the news that Federal Reserve in the US is going to cut rate. Yeah, coming home with that. And it's going to happen this September. So because of that, gold price is beginning to respond to that information. But what happens if they don't eventually cut the rate? If they keep it steady, gold will continue to push up. But if they cut it, gold will just go down. Are you getting it? So because of that, please, good move fundamental. That's why I don't like talking about it. All right. I don't like talking about it that much. Okay, so stay off gold for now. That's the information that I can just give you until those information you are waiting for, until they come out. I think that summarizes that answer for you. Okay, I hope so. Let me look at the comment section again. Good morning, sir. I'm a new beginner. Where can I be getting online training? This same link that you used to join today is it Duke and one other guy, I think Obina. You are new to this channel. There's another class I'll be holding from 10 o'clock this morning. Okay. Of course, Favor is going to be on the hot seat to anchor that class, and you should be there, okay? Because there are, apart from the fact that she will teach you well, there are also freebies she give out in class. Okay, freebies. Okay, recharge cards. Okay, because if you answer questions correctly, she's not seeing you. But if you answer questions correctly, she has a lot of gifts for people that are coming there. So if you're interested in learning more, join her 10 o'clock to 12, just 2 hours class. Okay, and of course, she will take you through Mondays and Tuesday, 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. And if you don't have time in the morning, you can join the evening class. We're going to meet some other guys, a couple of guys there. But there is also class in the evenings from 6 p.m. Just 1 hour, 6 to 7. But that one is not on Monday. It's only on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So if you like, you can join all those classes also. Let me quickly go back to more questions. Okay, Coach, we appreciate Mr. Jeremiah here in Ilorin regarding his training. Thank you very much. I told you Jeremiah is one of my best guys. He's a good hand. Okay, so what other comment do you have there? Let me read the comments. And I like to read this Ilorin comment. Okay, we have for Rally Management to help us set up contact office here in Ilorin. We have contact in Ilorin. We have contact office there in Ilorin. We have a partner center in Ilorin. And of course, it's Symbols. Yeah, Symbols. Symbols is in it's just close to Central, but I can't really describe that road. I don't know it, except I read it out, okay, from where it is written. But I know Symbols is very close to Central Bank. Okay. He said behind, in fact, the address is behind CBN. I know the office, okay. I can't describe it, but it's not too far from CBN. So if you look around that area and you see symbols, it's our partner, okay, in Ilorin. You can always go there, and of course, somebody's there, one Elijah, very, nice Elijah, that will help you set up everything you need. Okay, so go there. We have a partner center already. Um, um, well, if you also know, what I can also say is that if you know you are in that class in Ilorin with Jeremiah and you know how to trade already, you can go to Symbols and go ahead and partner with us there. Since the facility is there, you can be a tutor. There's no crime in that. If you know you are the best shooter, okay, even if you have a fish pond, in the fish pond, there's also something they call sharpshooter. I heard it from one of my cousins that used to do fish pond. He said that when you put a little fish in the pond, okay, like the same size, but somehow, some of them will be bigger than the other ones. I don't know, and those will be they begin to eat the smaller ones. So if you're a sharpshooter, okay, that means you know how to trade better than the rest. Please go to Symbols, and of course, we can adopt you as a trainer there. While you're also trading, you're also making money, okay, because you're also trading other people. Okay, I think that concludes that question from Ilorin. Let me read more comments here. Okay, so you are giving value this morning. Of course, I'm always giving value. Chichuku, Abiola. Let me read more questions or more comments. Abiola says, sir, what were the take profits? What is that? What were the take profits? Point you advise on US30. I don't know. Just take what you want. When you want it, you can move on. Thank you for the explanation. Akman, thank you very much. To lose energy, where would there be training in Warri? Training in Warri is going to be this week, to lose. It's going to be Thursday and Friday. I can't remember the address, but we are coming to Warri. So if you're listening to me now, you're in Warri, or you have a friend that is in Warri, or close to Warri, like all those Sapele, whatever, gather all of them. All of you should gather in Warri this week. We have a training there this week. I can't remember the address, but you can contact your account manager. Maybe they can just get it for you. But I know we are coming to Warri Thursday and Friday, okay, to start a class there. All right. So, and Obina Kingsley, thank you so much. I really love your teachings, even though I'm not conversant with them yet. Don't worry, it's just a question of time. You understand? Where do we put TP on US 100? Anywhere you want it, sir. As long as the money is okay for you, you can also close it. So, at the Zoom link for the evening is this same link. The same link you used to join this one. The same link you use in the evening, sir. 6 o'clock. No, not today. It's tomorrow. 6 o'clock in the evening. All right. You can join the Royal Academy. Okay, thank you very much. If you look at the comment section, everybody, and you want to join the class in the evening tomorrow, you can join it. And if you want to join today, 10 o'clock, you can join it. Today and tomorrow, 10 o'clock. Okay, does US30 and FT100 indices and open session and closed session the same? I'm not sure, so I cannot answer that one. Tamuno. Excuse me. Please, I think we are on a downtrend on US30 H1. Okay. Oh yeah, Felix, continue to follow downtrend. On copy trade boss with 1 million, can you return at least 10 ranking weekly? It depends on who you are following. Your name is, I don't know how to call this one though. POHRK2. In fact, this one is not the name. Maybe it's a slang or something. But you ask a question, you say, on copy trade with 1 million, can he return 100,000 weekly? I'm not sure. It depends on who you are copying. Okay, if the person you are copying make 100,000 in a day, hallelujah. If the person you are copying make 1,000 a day, okay. So it depends on who you are copying. I don't know who you are copying. Do you have a partner in Asaba that we can go for additional physical training? No, not yet. We don't have in Asaba. We only have in Warri, we have in Ilorin, and we have in I think we have in Benin. I think so. So don't you guys have plan for coming to Asaba? We should. We normally come to Asaba, so don't worry. I think we can put it in September or next. That you mentioned it now, I'll pen it down. Asaba. So Shehu is listening. So Shehu, please put it in perspective. That's what we can do to Asaba people, so that we can always go around and be with them all the time. So do you advise hedging strategy? I do hedging a lot. Raining word. I do hedging a lot. So if you want to do it, you have to be smart with it. And there are two kinds of hedging. Okay. It depends on the one you like. There is hedging in the same direction, and there's hedging in the opposite direction. Hedging in the same direction is I pick a sell. Okay. I don't know if everybody understand what hedging means. For example, now let's look at this. Okay, US30 is in profit. Let's look at the one that is not in profit. Say, for example, USD card. Okay, USD CAD. Okay, now I'm going to go to 1 hour chart. Let's answer that question. So we pick a sell, we pick a buy. Instead of the price to go up, the price begins to go down. He's not thinking inside of his head that he should just click on sell. Now, if you click on sell, like so, I'm going to just do it here for the sake of training. If I click on sell, no, I shouldn't do it. Let me just stay off. If you click on sell, say for example, you click on sell here, it means that if the price is going down, the sell will be in profit, but the buy will be in a loss. This one called hedging in opposite direction. It's not always good. If you're not smart, this thing can catch you. And when it catches you, it's going to lose money for yours. You're going to lose money. Okay, so, but on a short scale, it can be very fine. On a short scale, it can be very fine. Because the problem is that you won't know when the price will turn. The other thing, something tells you that the price will turn maybe around, let's say you have a juju, and the juju tells you that the price will turn around here, where I put this green, which means that your take profit can be there for the sell. Is that not? Or even if you don't use take profit, the price now come down, you close your trade here as if you have juju. Okay, as you close the trade, the price is now pushing back up. Okay, and then the loss on the buy is now reducing. Even if you don't have another buy, eventually the buy will eventually go to profit. But that's as I said it now, it looks very nice, very sweet, but it's not always sweet because sometimes it can just catch you. That's hedging in the opposite direction. But there's another way you can also hedge. Let me clean this one and give you the second one. The second way you can hedge is you have a buy, but the price is not going into profit. So what you do is you wait for the price to go against you for a while, as if you have juju. So the price go against you to this level, and then you have a second buy. Okay, you place a second buy here. But this second buy you're going to place, there are a lot of things around it, okay? Because if you do 0.01 lot, again, it's going to give you issues. So people don't use 0.01 lot to hedge in the same direction. They use higher lot to hedge in the same direction. We call it martingale. That's where the word martingale comes in. So you can Google martingale on your phone or your laptop. Google about martingale and how to hedge with martingale. Okay, there are two kinds. Martingale in the opposite direction and martingale in the same direction. Now, if you ask me which one do I prefer, each one have their own unique need and unique way of helping to solve problems. Martingale in the same direction is easier managed than martingale in opposite direction. If you hedge in the same direction, it is easier to manage than hedging in opposite direction. But it's very risky because it's of higher risk than in opposite direction. Opposite direction is also good. It's just like it doesn't have its own downside, okay? Because you don't know when the price will turn. And of course, if you use wrong lots too, because even if you're hedging this in opposite direction, if you do 0.01 up, 0.01 down, it's going to just balance you. It's going to help you out. Okay, so you can just know how to manage. So you can read more about hedging in opposite direction and hedging in opposite direction. And of course, you can choose the one that is comfortable for you. All right, I think that answers your question. What's your name again? Your name is I don't know. Let me mention your name. Your name, say, I can't even pronounce it. It sounds POH. Oh, not you. Somebody asked this question. Wait. Oh. Yeah, Martin, not Martin Gable. Martin Gale. Martin Gale. Martin Gale. Matingale. Okay, something like that. All right. Rainy, what is your name? Oh, I remember your name, Rainy. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so you can read more on that. So that concludes, the topic on hedging. Now let's really open the channel for people to just, comment. Sorry, I see something. Omorige is raising her hand already. So let me allow Omorige to talk to me this morning. Omorige, let me look for your name on this list. Omorige. Oh yeah. Omorige, lower your hand and talk to me. What's going on? Esther Omorige, are you there?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Thank you for the work you do for us.
Good.
Like you earlier on said, sir, last week.
You said?
For those of us, for some of us. And on a robot trade.
I didn't get your question. What's your question?
Hello, sir. My question is that this hedging you just talked about, yes, the robot did the hedging, but at the end of it all, there was still a loss. And I don't really know what happened. what happened to DE40, even though on a higher time frame, D1, week 1, H4, and even H1 was saying that it's going up, but the thing dropped drastically, even wiping up some friends' account. So what happened? Was it that it was affected by a fundamental news or what?
Yes, it was affected by
Because I can't really understand what happened.
It was affected by fundamental, man. What happened to D40? Okay, was I think D40 is a German index, but then some of the content in there, some of the constituent companies that made up D40 trade in the US stock market in New York. So, and of course, some tech companies lost money last week, like Nvidia, I think 2 weeks ago, and last week especially for Meta. Meta lost a lot of money last week. A lot of company funds were wiped out. So that's what caused that downpour on D30. But of course, this money is beginning to rise. So we are beginning to have faith also that after that serious loss,
yes, that's a good thing.
So it's not an issue, man. It's just fundamental.
Please, one other question. Is it possible for one to manually take profit on an AI account?
Yes.
Because I observed that most time it will be in profit, but it will not close. And I was told by my account officer that it's because the take profit has not been gotten to. So I don't know if I can be taking my profit on my own.
Just take your profit,
if the AI refuses to.
Yes, you can take your profit, man. It's advised.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everybody. Yes. Thank you very much, everybody. I hope you have learned one or two things from the question she asked. Very important question. And of course, from the answer I provided. So I'm wishing you a fruitful week, all of you. And of course, let's quickly, before I close, let's look at the fundamental front. I'm going to just share my screen right now so that we can look at what the market has for us this week. Of course, as we prepare to look at how to navigate it. So 7 o'clock tomorrow, there will be the bank account change of pound. Don't forget, you can trade it. CAD 1:10 p.m. The governor there, McClem, will speak. But of course, Wednesday, we have a lot of news coming out on GDP for pound, CPI for dollar. Wednesday is the time. Please get ready to make a lot of money. Wednesday is a news packed day. A lot of people will make money that day. Euro is going to come on Thursday, May financial rate. May refinance rate is the same rate as central bank rate. Is the ECB rate. Okay, it's ECB that release the rate. Okay, and of course, cost PPI will also come on Thursday for US dollar. Then on Friday, there's not much news. So I think the days you're going to be making a lot of money is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday this week. If you're interested in trading fundamental. Until then, I'm going to see you all on the green side. Bye-bye for now.